Good morning everyone, and today I am going to tell you how to find out the trace of a matrix. And before that you should know the definition of trace of a matrix. Trace of a matrix means sum of the diagonal elements of a square matrix. Diagonal means it must be a square matrix. So sum of the diagonal elements is called the trace of a matrix. So how to find out the trace of a matrix by the help of Scilab. Okay, so let us open the Scilab. And today I am going to tell you about the trace of how to find the trace of a matrix. Okay, so to find the trace of the matrix. Okay, so trace of the matrix means, as I have told you, the sum of the diagonal elements. That means we should first take a matrix. So capital A is equal to square matrix. That means it should be a square matrix, and you should write the elements within square brackets. I have told you one space, and if you don't want to give space, then you can give comma also. Oh, okay. If you give space, then no comma is required. Then 5, 7 semicolon, then space 8, space 9, space 4, then semicolon, then space 1, space 0, space 7. Okay, so this is your matrix, and your aim is to find out the trace of a matrix. So display, and the coding for trace is TRACE, small TRACE, trace. So trace of capital A. Okay, then this is the trace of a matrix. This is the coding for trace of a matrix in case of Scilab. Then comma, then inverted comma you should take. The trace of the matrix capital A is then you should put a closed bracket. You should put a bracket. Now let us see. I am copying this one and right clicking. If you will click right click on the mouse, then you will get clear console. Simply clear the console and paste it. Then enter. Press the enter key. See here, what is the sum of the diagonal elements? So 1 plus 9 plus 7. That means 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. So your answer is 17. See here, how fantastic it is. Simply you have to remember the code. Trace of A means TRACE, the code is small TRACE, small t, don't write capital T. And A should be written within bracket. Trace of A. Okay. So since I have written display trace of A, the trace of the matrix A is, so here it is written as the trace of the matrix A is 17. Okay, and this will become more systematic. Okay, so let's try to write in the program display. This line will make your program more that means it will make your program fantastic. Okay, that means your program should be more systematic and more appropriate. Okay, so let us take another example. And I am taking another matrix B. B is equal to 4 space 5 space 3, then semicolon, then 7 6 1 semicolon, space 5 0 1. Okay, and here I am taking the trace of A plus B. A plus B. Okay. So, and in this case, we have to write the trace of the sum of A and B. Trace of sum of A and B. Clear? So I am copying this one, and you should paste here. And I have already told you, always right click the mouse and clear console. After that you should paste, so that your program will not hang. Okay, so then enter, so that you will get, first see here, this is matrix A, this is matrix B. Then you should add both the matrices, and then you will get the sum of the diagonal elements. That means diagonal elements of the matrix A plus diagonal elements of the matrix B. Clear? Here the diagonal elements of the matrix A is 17, and diagonal elements of the matrix B, sum of the diagonal elements of the matrix B is 11. So 17 plus 11, it is 28. See here, the answer is 28. Clear? So this is all about the trace of a matrix. Simply remember the code is trace of the matrix A. Of means bracket. Okay. If your language is perfect, then it will be very easy for you. Trace of the matrix A. Trace of the matrix A. Trace, TRAC, trace, small, and of means bracket. So within bracket you should keep the matrix A. Okay. If you will not write the matrix bracket, then it will become wrong. Okay. It will show the error. Okay. So in my next video, I will tell you some more interesting coding on matrices. Okay, so please, if you have any doubt, then keep comments in the comment box, and if you are satisfied with my program, then please subscribe my channel and click the like button. Okay, thank you.